And she down to break the rules, ride or die, she gon' go. I won't judge, she finesse. I pipe up, she take that, putting over time on your body. You don't gotta go to work. That's my best friend.
What's up everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and this time guys it's about the magic door challenge. Basically, it's an illusion of you being like a giant looking inside a toy house from a tiny door and eventually going inside it as a normal life size of a human being. So guys, the video you just saw in the intro earlier, I edited it through the Final Cut Pro video editor. You can also edit from another video editors with a masking feature or capability. So first things first, we will go now to the Final Cut Pro interface. Then from the file, you have to create a new project. So in TikTok guys, let's call this as a magic door challenge. This one is trending in TikTok now, and since the TikTok is in a vertical frame position, we will choose the custom here and make it as 900 by 1600. So that's the standard size of the vertical frame in TikTok. Then choose here 24p. Then we're good to go for our video editing. So first step guys is you have to take a video of yourself just like this. So from afar, you go directly near to the location of the camera, then stare it for a couple of seconds, then make sure your head is overlapping the edge of the door to make the illusion more captivating. Then let's rewind it again. Then you go outside again, then take a pause for a couple of seconds, then you go inside. Then that's it. You're done with your raw video. This time you have to import that video and drag it to the editing board in the Final Cut Pro. Then next step is we do the trimming or cutting of the clip. And we are going to look for that time when you are going to go inside the door or the passage. So we will choose the one that is not that your feet is not touching yet the white tile. So this one is perfect already. So let's cut. It's Control B for blade. And then another cut position is the one that moment when you go outside and you are going to go inside again. So before going inside, we have to cut that clip. So a little bit outside this one. We're going to cut it here. Control B for blade. Let's. I'm shortening the clip, guys. It was expanded earlier. So now you already position your cuts. The next step is let's get a portion of this for the masking. So for example, at least I think 1 second or 2 seconds clip for you to be able to hold the video clip. So I think this one is good to go. And this one, we have to hold this clip. Meaning of the hold guys is we have to hold this frame for your preferred time. But I think the Final Cut Pro is making it a default for you. So this guys, you have already set this portion to hold. So as you can see, this is the position of the clip that the editor freezes. So by this time, we put this on top of the clip. From here guys, we will extend this hold clip until the next cutting section we cut earlier. So this is now the portion of the masking, guys, until here to here. Next step, we will do now the masking. So in effects, here, we will find the mask, then we apply the draw mask. So the draw mask basically is masking an object, either the outer part or the object itself. So if the outer part of from the object, you can set the mask into invert. So I'll show you later how it's done, because we will do the invert masking. The normal mask is applied to the main subject, like me in this picture. But with this door magic trick, we will use the outer portion of the clip. So from here, we already applied the mask, right? So to confirm, I'll just do it here again. Here, guys. So we have the mask here. So guys, before we proceed to the masking, gentle reminder only, if you drag the hold clip, you have to drag it by this position so that you will not activate the moving clip, because the last position we want to achieve is this one. So the hold clip should be dragged in this manner, not in between. Think we're already okay with the hold clip. Then let's proceed to the masking. So first, you have to set your draw mask effect into invert mask. So why invert mask? Because we are going to remove this inner portion of the clip. So, but if we are going to remove the outer portion of the clip, it's mask only. You have to unclick this one. So without further ado, we proceed now to laying our mask points to remove this inner portion of the clip. So by setting it to 50% for more clearer laying of points like this. Yeah, I think the line is not perfect. And that's it. We already removed the opening portion of the clip. So fit the view and try to play the video. So that's the illusion, guys. And then you are going back. Then you see from this portion, the hold clip is this one, right? So the ending of this must part is from here. So the active video will be the one below this hold video. So from there, the illusion is made already with this clip. So I hope, guys, the tutorial is clear to you. If you have some doubts, you can comment below the questions and I will be glad to answer those confusions or those questions of yours. From there, you can already download your file in this button, then master file. Then you can already load this one into your TikTok and find a music you in your own preference that will suit the motion or the vibe of the clip. That's it, guys. Till next tutorial video. I hope you all have a good day and don't forget to leave a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks. Bye-bye.
That's my best friend.